So the people in here get to choose their waste hauler?
Yes. This is unincorporated Payless Heights. They can do that.
A lot of people choose you guys then.
Yeah.
Who else is in here? Republic and WM?
Yes. Mostly it's going to be Republic. There are a few waste, but not much.
Any Homewood in here?
No. Just doing that all day long. I did it last year. I did a fine job of my elbows. Like we're in Robbins tomorrow, they don't. A lot of them don't use plastic bags, so it's just
You.
yeah, just slime.
And that's the hood too.
Yeah, it's slime and everything else. They have been picking up garbage out there for the last 5 years, 6 years.
It would be horrible to be out there with a rear loader, I bet.
I got two guys to do it. The recycling guy, he comes out there once he gets done with Meredith Park for recycling. He'll be out there giving us a hand with the other rear load. A lot of extras that we get out of Robbins. Furniture, clean out, whatever. That's the ongoing problem.
From what I could tell, Riverdale was pretty shitty too.
Yeah.
Especially those it was like townhomes or apartments or something way on the northwest side of town. I got kind of scared to go in there.
Well, once you do it, it's like the thing that people go, oh, you're in Robbins, aren't you scared? And go, doesn't bother me. You're a garbage man, they actually are kind of happy to see you.
Have you ever had any bad encounters?
Between them or when we had Riverdale. No.
Riverdale was all rear load though, right?
Yeah, it's all alleys. That's all. Like I said, on Mondays, I do be in Orland Park and then have to go to Riverdale later on. Just a culture shock. Yeah, too many little wires and everything. It'd just be such a pain with the front loader. Small truck. It's only a 20-yard body, 12-yard hopper. Now, Waste Republic, they have a 28-yard body with a 12 hopper. So that's why their trucks are bigger. But all it does is get you in trouble because you're going to be overweight real quick.
And Waste has those new ones with the CNG and the tailgate. Those are so dumb. Those are massive.
Yeah. So, I can get just as much weight in here as in those, but those can go even further, so you can really get heavy. And, yeah, the county doesn't like me. And it gets cumbersome, and these cul-de-sacs, you got that much longer for a body trying to maneuver around. So, it's good for recycling because you're so light. You got yard waste, all it does is get you in trouble.
Do you guys ever run a front load on recycle?
I have. I do that on Thursdays when I get done with my garbage to help the recycling out because he's on a rear load. And sometimes it's okay, and other times it's a pain in the butt because I'm on Frankfurt, so it's all open out there, and a lot of times it's windy. So, yeah, maybe a half a bucket, I gotta dump it. Sometimes it works, sometimes, yeah, I gotta get out a lot of stuff.
You ever see those like flaps that are on some of the Corrados that like flip up?
Yeah. They're fine if that's all you do is recycling, but to do what I gotta do, it won't last a day.
Yeah.
Because of couches, wood, and everything else I pick up. Yeah, it's just gonna be a maintenance hassle. I keep it down to a half, 3/4, and I'm usually in good shape.
There's a lot of yard waste on this road. That must add a lot more in the summer than the winter.
Oh yeah. Batteries on top.
You want help?
This ain't nothing. You gotta see what I do when I have to do it clean. That's how we do the kings and queens are like that. We're gonna lay them flat, and then usually we have no problem, getting them in the hole. Just the hardest part is sometimes getting it to stand up. And then once you get it stand up, trying to flip it up on top, it can be so heavy up there. Done 3 front load washers. They're roughly 300 pounds, and my grip doesn't have enough force to hold on to it. So when I pick it up, there are times where it'll slip right through the grip. And I've had twice. Once I got it all the way up, it somehow or another it flinged around and caught the end of the grip. So now I'm like, what do I do? Because if I open it up, it's going to come back in on me. And I can't just lift it up because there's nowhere to stand. I did it twice, and then the third time I figure out I know what to do. So I carry the straps that I have on the back to hold those cans down. I use that to close the grip, but it also helps lift it up at the same time. It's so much safer. So much safer.